Hey everybody, how's it going? I'm back at Franz Bakery on Foster Road this time. The other Franz Bakery is in Vancouver in Hazeldale. Anyway, I'm here to paint it. I washed it off last week. They leave up the vegan, organic, and gluten-free stuff. And so I'm going to put together a spring theme. All right, I want to do something different. I want to do a really cute character. Well, I expected they would want a barbecue theme because that's what they do for spring and summer, and they can show their buns and stuff they sell for barbecues. But surprisingly, they said they didn't care about that just to do my thing and do a bunch of spring, summer characters. So I'm good with that. You know how I am. You know I like doing my thing. So I'm going to come up with a really cute character. I don't know what, or a couple cute characters. A big sun too. Maybe I'll put a big sun in that one window too, right there. All right, let's get started. The one thing I don't really care about this job is I'm working on a big hill, so I got to climb up and down this hill. And I got my table propped up there. It's a little bit slanted, but I'll survive. Okay, I got to make my way up the hill. Ugh! I did it! All right. Get out my white paint. My white roller. And I decided what I'm going to do is a kitty cat. I love doing kitty cats. With a yellow raincoat on, with a little rain cloud above it. Just kind of show spring, and maybe a cute flower next to it too. Getting a raindrop on his face. Okay, got Happy Mr. Sun's arms in, and his hands, and now I want to draw a line around this to show the form, and put his big nose in the middle. And a big smile. Give him some cheeks here. And some teeth. And he's got a big wide open mouth because he's so happy. very happy. Okay, I'll take my roller and I go in and sort of get rid of a few of the lines I don't need. Okay, I think I'll change his nose a little though. Maybe make it not quite as bulbous. Just a little bit smaller. Okay, Happy Mr. Sun is done. On this side, I'm just going to do a little flower. And then along here, I'll do some more flowers and grass. Keeping it simple. Sorry about all the loud traffic going by. Anyway, that's why I'm putting the camera close so you can hear me. Okay, so I've got this, got a second coat on all the white, like this flower. Got all the green in. This was a little challenging, get behind the table. And then down here I got second coat on the kitty. Oh, I gotta do his tail, her tail. And second coat on all the white characters. And the sun. And then I started the green down there. I'm going to do the green here, but I wanted to paint the post in. I'm doing two colors of this kind of ochre color. And then I'll paint in all the green grass. So it's going along quick. Themes like this are easy for me and fun. And I can just come up with my own characters and my own ideas. Awesome.